I am Subhasri Sundaresan from 10th standard. Let me initiate the discussion. The topic is Save Earth. Earth and the resources of the earth make life possible on it. If we were to imagine our lives without these resources, that would not be possible. As life cannot function without sunshine, air, vegetation and water, we need to protect them in order to protect our life. This is so because man and all living organisms depend on the earth for their survival.
I am Vishnupriya from 10th standard. She is Sobhya from 10th standard. She is Devasri from 10th standard and she is Vaishnavi from 10th standard. Now Vaishnavi is going to start the discussion.
Water is probably the most precious resource for everyone. Without water, there certainly would have been no life on earth. This shows why water is so vital for life. Water is certainly very important for the planet Earth as well. Why saving water is important for Earth? First of all, saving water would result in reducing droughts around the world. Furthermore, the groundwater level would remain more or less sufficient. Most noteworthy, there would be no shortage of water. This would significantly increase the chances of survival of animal species. The extinction of many species would be prevented. This is because these species won't have to suffer or struggle to find water.
Now I am going to tell about who is responsible for the animal extinct. Before the man had came, the animals had came very before, as man was also an animal. Now from our country many animals became extinct. People are responsible for their extinctness. We are people and we are responsible for animals. And of course, animals are our companions, our workers, our eyes and our ears. When it comes to save earth, we should also think about save energy. We all know that wasting energy means most of it has to be produced, and burning fossil fuels is the major source of carbon dioxide, make climate change worse. You can make some easy changes at home to make a difference. How can we? One easy thing to do is to turn off TVs, DVDs, speakers and computers while you are not using them. To save energy, you can also turn off your lights when you don't need them and use LED efficient bulbs.
As per my knowledge, here we should talk about afforestation, which is most important not only for animals but for the whole earth. What is afforestation? Over the last decade, the talk on global warming and climate change has dominated major events and conferences. Politicians and global leaders have combined under the idea of helping combat issues of global warming. It refers to the process of sowing seeds and planting trees in an area that does not have trees to create a forest. However, afforestation should not be confused with reforestation. The difference between afforestation and reforestation. According to vocabulary, afforestation is the conversion of bare or cultivated land into a forest. Reforestation refers to planting trees in a land with decreasing number of trees.
Now I am going to talk about global warming. In my opinion, afforestation has been one of the most talked about methods of dealing with global warming. What is global warming? Global warming is a gradual increase in the Earth's temperature due to the greenhouse effect caused by carbon dioxide, CFCs and other pollutants. What causes global warming? The biggest cause of global warming are deforestation, factories, electricity wastage, etc. Deforestation reduces the number of trees, which means there will be more CO2 in the air. How can we reduce global warming? While we cannot stop global warming overnight or even over the next several decades, we can slow the rate and limit the amount of global warming, reducing the human emissions of heat trapping gases and soot, which is known as black carbon. Once this excess heat radiated out of the space, its temperature would stabilize.
Let me say you one thing, reducing water usage would certainly help in the conservation of energy. Furthermore, energy is required to process and deliver matter to our homes, offices, farms, etc. Save Earth is a very real campaign for everyone. Everyone has to take responsibility for protecting the land because it is our land and we are living on this earth. So it becomes our responsibility for protecting the land. All human activities are impacting the lives of other organisms. Humans only need to take steps for protecting the earth and its resources. A little effort will go a long way on everyone's end. Each action will make a difference. For instance, if one man decides to stop drinking bottled waters, thousands of plastic can be saved from consuming. Furthermore, we can start by planting more trees to make up for the deforestation that's happening these days at a rapid rate. Similarly, we must stop wasting water. When it's done on individual level, this will create a huge impact on conserving water. If all this collective effort starts happening, we can surely save our planet Earth and make a brighter Earth. I love the Earth. You love the Earth. Who hell are polluters? Every day is Earth Day. Earth Day. Join the fight. Do what's right. Green Earth, clean Earth. Thank you.